Nimble Machines is the business unit of UCAM Private Limited and they have participated at IMTEX 2023. We can see at their stall that they have displayed big machines of their Vajra series. They are into the manufacturing of gear hobbing and gear cutting machines. And here we are, Mr. Rajesh Gawhale, the head of operations, who would be giving us brief about their Vajra series and also about the other innovations that they have displayed. Hello, sir. So, would you like to explain us about the gear hobbing and the gear cutting machines?
Yeah, thank you for giving us an opportunity. So, we have been manufacturing gear hobbing for last 6 to 8 years, and consistently we are showing the products in IMTEX. This year, we are launching our new series, Vajra 130 model, the smallest in our gear hobbing range. This machine is highly innovative machine. We have a direct drive technology in this, which we can cut with a high speed gear cutting application. So your cycle times are going to be very low. We can go up to higher cutting speeds of in the range of 200-250 cutting speed, which are suitable for small gears like two-wheeler or four-wheeler applications. So highly fully loaded machine we can give with a work holding as well as ring loader, and we also have an option of component magazine. So it is kind of highly loaded machine which is suitable for the automobile industry.
That is great. So, we have also seen in the stall that there is the Tarang machine.
Yes.
So, what is that about?
Yeah, Tarang is one of the kind of machine, the spiral bevel gear generator, the first machine produced in India. This machine is already working with the customer. We supplied the first machine in the month of March, and the customer is very happy with this. And I'm proud to say that this is the first Indian machine in gear hobbing, spiral bevel gear range. So even in the exhibition, we are receiving very good response for this machine. Again, our USP has been same. Our both the work head and spindle are direct drive. So we are focusing on those high speed applications so that customer gets a benefit on the cycle times, and that is what everybody is looking at there.
So, is there any story behind why Tarang name came up?
Yeah, I mean, we wanted to see today made in India is the buzzword, and we want the name of a product also in India, and that's how. And if you look at the shape of the gear which you cut on this machine, it's got a spirals, and that's how the Tarang name has come up.
That is really amazing. So, we have already heard about the machines and how the response has been coming for this. We can see that how Make in India, the Indian brand in the manufacturing industry in the international market, is growing day by day. So, what would you like to, and would you like to give out any message?
The message is loud and clear. You can see the machines are in and around in exhibitions. So all are Indian product. Most of them are more than 90% are Indian, and no Indian product is less than any foreign company. So I think this decade is for Indian products, and I'm sure that we'll do great.
That is very inspiring, and we can see the passion in the team of UCAM and Nimble Machines. Thank you so much for interacting with
Thank
us.
you for giving us opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you.